Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to change the language on the Taobao app from Chinese to English. Alright, so let's begin. So, the first thing that you want to do is launch the Taobao app and make sure you are logged into your account. After that, navigate through the option at the bottom right of the screen. Over here, there on the settings icon at the top right corner. Then click on the next option that appears. If you need help with the translation, you can take a screenshot and use Google Translate to understand the text. After that, select the option that shows a list of countries. Then choose your country. Next, look for the language settings and select English. Finally, tap on Confirm and the language will be changed. So that's all for this video and see you in the next one. Thanks.